Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech reviews. Today, we're diving into the immersive world of gaming monitors with the Samsung Odyssey Neo 57 G9. Let's see if this behemoth lives up to the hype.
Hey everyone, host's name here, and today we're taking a deep dive into the Samsung Odyssey Neo 57 G9 gaming monitor.
Now, when I say this monitor is extreme, I mean it's off the charts in terms of size, resolution, and features. Let's break it down. First off, let's talk about size. This thing is massive, with a whopping 57-inch curved display that wraps around your field of vision,
giving you an unparalleled gaming experience. And with dual Ultra HD resolution, you're getting a stunning 7680 by 2160 pixels of visual goodness.
Now, connectivity is key, especially for gamers. The Samsung Odyssey Neo 57 G9 doesn't disappoint. With HDMI 2.1 and DisplayPort 2.1 inputs, ensuring smooth gameplay at high resolutions and refresh rates. But let's get to the real meat of the matter, gaming performance. With a blistering 240Hz refresh rate and adaptive sync technology, this monitor delivers buttery smooth gameplay with no tearing or stuttering. Whether you're into fast-paced shooters or immersive RPGs, the Samsung Odyssey Neo 57 G9 has you covered. Now, let's talk about visuals.
With HDR10 Plus support and a 1000 nit mini LED backlight, this monitor delivers stunning contrast and vibrant colors that bring your games to life. And with 2392 dimming zones, you get deep blacks and bright highlights that truly pop off the screen. Of course, a monitor this size needs to be comfortable to use, and the Samsung Odyssey Neo 57 G9 doesn't disappoint. With a 1000R curve and adjustable height, tilt, and swivel options, you can customize your setup for maximum comfort during those marathon gaming sessions.
Plus, with its premium build quality and sleek design, this monitor looks as good as it performs.
Now, I won't sugarcoat it, the Samsung Odyssey Neo 57 G9 is an investment.
But in my opinion, it's worth every penny for the immersive gaming experience it provides.
If you're serious about gaming and want the best of the best, look no further than the Samsung Odyssey Neo 57 G9.
Well, that's it for today's review of the Samsung Odyssey Neo 57 G9 gaming monitor. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and until next time, happy gaming!